In this video, we are going to see how we can stop the people from mentioning you in the TikTok description. So if you want to avoid that to happen, here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to switch to your profile from the bottom right hand corner. Just click on this icon of the profile. And from here, we click on the three lines at the top right hand corner. Head over to the settings and privacy. And from here, we scrolling down until we see interactions. And here's the section of mentions. So if you don't want the other people to mention that, or you want to get notifications about that, choose who can mention you in their descriptions, stickers, comments, and stories. So it's currently set to everyone, but let's say we don't want that, we can limit to some people or friends, or otherwise let's set it to no one if you want no one to mention you in any of the description or comments. So that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.